Welcome to Giveaway Breaks. This is a 2 box of 2017 Topps Chrome Hobby. It was a live auction. It was the next 2 boxes out of the case. Good luck to everybody. And Iceman, no problem. I understand. It's all good. Like I said, I'm very easy. Oh, yeah. I forget I'm doing doctor work when I do Chrome and Bowman. Seriously, good luck. Thank you guys for the fill. And I hope we hit something sick. If you guys want, all this is obviously being recorded, but go grab a drink. I'm going to open up all the packs from both boxes. I'm going to make 2 stacks. Empty box. And JR for right now. We're going to go like that. And go like that. This way you don't have to sit here and watch me open packs. Trust me. I'm buying the breaks myself. Not my own, of course, unless the team doesn't go unsold or I have no choice but to join to sell out a break. Empty box. But you probably got a good 5 minutes. And I'll get them all open. And Iceman, thank you for stopping by or passing by. Let me get this right. Same with you, Alex. Same with you, Beans. And anybody else I'm missing that is new to the room. How's it? Same to you. It's been a while. I swear you've been here before. At least once, somewhere. Oh, that's right. You're from Milwaukee. And you have the Brewers? Did you beat Donnell on the Brewers? I don't even know if Donnell's a Brewers fan. I know you've been around. Yeah. How's it? I know. I have to cheat because that's just me. I have no clue what the hell's going on there. So I'll be surprised with you guys. But remember to stack right there. Just could be the way the card's looking at me, but Alex, you're from Iowa? So what the hell? We got the whole Midwest here? That's awesome. And a chorizo? Here. Who's from Minnesota? I got this too. Sano? Hang on. I got another one. This is a true story. This was pulled out of a pack of Tops. This card. It's been pulled out of a hockey. This ham sandwich thing. Hang on, I don't want to mess with these cards. And if you don't like that, sorry, Walt. I had new people in the room. They got to see Mickey. I actually did not this year. Surprisingly, I did not. It's kind of a long, complicated story. Ain't really complicated. To make a long story short, I lost my full-time job at the end of March. And with the Illinois law, I was told I wasn't allowed to make any money. Even if I was losing money, it counted as making money because they just wanted me to report it as gross, or I'd lose my unemployment. So in the meantime, I was looking for a job, found a job, and now I'm back. But I was off for 3 months. Before that, I was on about 10 months. That's why you'll see, like on the bottom, I think there's like 140 hearts. It's because I've been around, just not. I came back, what's it been, Walt? 3 weeks? I think I've been back 3 weeks, so. Something like that, close enough. Alright, so we got a superfractor in this box. I'm going to just say. And a redemption in this box. How's that? See, I'm optimistic. There's more. Wait, who's in Minnesota? I live 5 minutes from Minnesota. Oh. Alex is 5 minutes from Minnesota. Okay. And Iowa. And a Bears fan. Can't stand the Vikings. Well, here's the deal. I live in Illinois, and I'm a Cowboys fan. Why? Because I cannot stand the Bears. If I bet with them, I lose, and when I bet against them, I lose. And on top of it, they never had a quarterback, so I just hated them for it. But actually now, I'll be honest, even as a Cowboy fan, I'm pretty excited that they have this Mitchell guy. So I hope he turns into something and he's good. Right? That's what I mean. That's why I kind of said, like, that's why I hate them. Because when I decide to root for them, they just suck. But I will tell you, this year I will be rooting for Mitchell. Whether he plays a snap or not, who knows? I hope they don't put him in. Yep. Wait, somebody asked for this guy. As I'm opening, I do pay attention. There's one. Hopefully it's an auto for you. We won't know for a while. I wouldn't think so if it's on the bottom of the pack, though. But maybe it's a super fractor. And I really can't say that I hate the Brewers either. That's just not something I can say. Even though I'm a Cubs fan, I cannot say I hate the Brewers. They used to play in the American League. Oh, there's a Bellinger. I do not remember seeing one of those the first time around. But what the hell do I remember? Gotcha, Beans. They screwed that up. Mason City? Mason, what did you say? Mason City? Where's that? Wait, are you guessing my town? Hold on, whose town are you guessing? You were, I'll tell you were close with Lake. For me, if you could find a girl's name to go in front of Lake, you'd have it. At least that's where I used to live, which is only about 25 minutes from here. You're zeroing in on Alex? All right. But wait a minute. Walt, you're going to have to move up then. Walt, you're just going to have to move up by me, buddy. If everybody's from the Midwest, either that or I'll move down by you. It's warmer where you are. Maybe I'll come by you. Now, Donnell, I have to say, I think you stole Dan's dartboard, though. I don't know what teams you got this time. I have to look. Twins and the Reds. There's two I see. All right, here we go. I'm through the back. Good luck. Hopefully y'all got your cocktails and you're ready. Because we're going to find us a superfractor or a 101 or something cool, I hope. Oh, sorry. All right, here we go. Hoffman rookie. Sorry, Prism. I was looking. I didn't see JR talking. Is he back? JR, you back? We started. Here we go. Maybe he put me on mute. I wouldn't blame him. I put myself on mute. All right, good luck. This looks to be an orange card, but it's just the way it's made. It's a Hunter Renfroe rookie for the Padres. And right behind it, how about the same guy, just in a different card, Freshman Flash. That is for the Padres. All right, JR. I was just making sure you were here. Urias. Schwarber. All right, Alex. I have to ask. Oh, yes, I ship everything. Everything. Who's your favorite baseball team? There is a Seager for the Dodgers. Future Stars. That's pretty cool. Minnesota, the Twins. I can't say I hate the Twins either. I like most of the teams that are around us. Oh. Machado. 87 Topps Orioles. And yes, this is a purple number card for the Rockies. Ian Desmond out of 299. I actually like the Twins. And that is a gorgeous stadium. That's where I was last year. What the hell? I'll sleep in a minute. All right, here we go. Kepler. We're going to call it the Prism because that's what you guys are telling me. Manny rookie for the Padres. Sorry, it's a cool card. Jacob Jones rookie. And a Buster Posey, then and now, for the Giants. Martinez. Jacob deGrom, 87 Topps. There's the Seager I saw. And is this blue? Or is this the card? Good luck. It's a Carlos Correa refractor, I bet. Yes. All right, where's the autos? Somewhere in this pile. Good luck. Vogelbeck rookie Prism. Gavin rookie. And there's our first auto for the White Sox. Lopez rookie. The White Sox in this break are beans. No number beans. But congrats on the auto. Oh, and just in case everybody splits at the end, thank you all for the fill. Welcome to all the new people. Like I said, as you heard from JR, and you can hear it from Walt, they've been with me a while. Donnell, you can, it's a room you can usually find a team. If there's a certain team that you like, you can usually find it. Alex Reyes rookie. Jason Hayward. Piscotty, 87 tops for the Cardinals. Lucas Gelato, whatever the hell his name is. The guy that's going to be a Cub killer one day. I have a feeling in 2 or 3 years they're about to take over baseball. Ah, is this gold? If that is the case, this is a White Sox box. 23 of 50 for the White Sox. Jose Abreu. That would be Beans as well. Congrats, Beans. All right. Chorizo. We're looking for a judge. There's a Sanchez. There's the other auto. This is for the Padres. Carlos, yeah, good luck with me saying that last name. Osuaja. Yeah, that guy. For the Padres. Padres are Beans. There is no number on that one. Iceman. Stay positive. You said box. You might be right. There ain't much left here. Michael Fulmer. There's a Trey Turner. Alex Bergman. Lindor, 87 tops. Puig, and that guy for the Cubs. That's your first box. Garbage. Asua. Oh, come on, JR. You know I can't pronounce the name of my life. All right, here we go. Box 2. Good luck. Where's the super? There's got to be a superfractor. Come on. I have faith. There is a Anthony Rendon prism for the Nats. Freshman flash would be my guess, is what the word should say. Tyler Glasnow, rookie for the Pirates. Contreras, future stars for the Cubs. 87 tops, Duffy. How about a black and white Matt Olson for the A's? The A's are, how's it? Jake Arrieta for the Cubs, Prism. How about a Dodgers hit? Tolles auto. Rookie for the Dodgers. Dodgers are Alex. That is a base auto rookie. Congrats, Alex. Come on. There's a Mikey Trout and a Mazzara, Future Stars. All right, good luck. Boom. That would have been nice if it had ink, but that is still a cool card. That is in great shape. There you go, Iceman. It's something. That is pretty cool. Yep. And it was close to the auto hole, too. There you go. It's a cool card. There's a Diaz. Doll rookie. Yelich. Swansby. Or Swanson, sorry. Rookie Prism for the Braves. I think the Braves went to Walt. And yes, I was right. Congrats, Walt. Is this a blue? This might be. What the hell is this? This is interesting. Maybe we get all the rookies like this and one being an auto. This is a blue. For the Rays, Jose De Leon, rookie, freshman flash. And no, it is not numbered. But hell, that looked blue to me. I guess it's just a type of card. Sorry. Overhead to Rays. Congrats. Sorry it's not numbered. I don't know. I still think it's cool. But who the hell am I? There is a Bellinger rookie. Congrats to whoever got the Dodgers. I think off the top of my head it's Alex. Yes, Alex. That's just a base. It's not a refractor. Good luck. Then and now, Jose for the Astros. And I saw the Judge, and then I saw the Mancada for the White Sox. And congrats to whoever got the White Sox. That's Beans. And is this a blue? Or is this just a card? Batista for the Blue Jays. And that is a blue. 44 of 150. Really, Beans? Congrats. Oh, you just saw it pulled. Did you get it? All right, that means our last auto's sitting here somewhere. Good luck. There's a Springer. Noah Syndergaard, Future Stars. There is the Orlando for the Brew Crew. All right. Come on. Give us a boom on the way out. Jacob deGrom. Eugenio. Prism for the Reds. Where is it? It's right there. Healy. Rookie for the A's. How's it? That is a refractor out of 499. 19 of 499. Congrats. And the last few cards. Tyler Austin rookie for the Yanks. And Salvador Perez. And that concludes the break. Thank you guys for the fill. Let me stop the recording. But just in case you walked away, Healy rookie refractor out of 499. A Bellinger base rookie. A Judge base 87 Topps rookie. Tolles autograph rookie base. Carlos rookie for the Padres. Good luck with me saying that name. Abreu out of 50 for the White Sox. Gold. Lopez rookie for the White Sox autograph. Oh yeah. And that card goes there. Thank you guys for the breaks. Or for the fill.